In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule for TikTok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a post in Later so your content goes out at the perfect time with the right caption, hashtags, and cover. Start by logging into Later and connecting your TikTok account. When you connect, you may see a quick permissions prompt from TikTok. This simply lets Later schedule on your behalf. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check you're linking the correct one so your content lands in the right place. Some features, like automatic publishing, may depend on your account type and region, so your options might look a little different. Once you're in, head to the calendar. Click Create Post and choose TikTok. You'll be working on a TikTok-specific post, so the fields and preview will match what your audience sees on the app. If you have more than one social profile connected, make sure TikTok is selected before you continue. Upload your video file. Aim for a vertical format for best results, and make sure the file opens and plays cleanly before you add it. After the video is in, craft your caption. Keep it clear and scannable, front-loading the most important hook or call to action. Add a few targeted hashtags that reflect your topic or niche. Quality beats quantity here. You can also set a cover image. Choose a frame that represents the key moment or a thumbnail with clean text that's easy to read. Keep important elements away from the edges so they're not covered by interface buttons. Now choose the date and time you want the post to go live. Think about when your audience is most active. If you've noticed patterns in your analytics, schedule around those windows. Also confirm the time zone in your calendar so the post goes out exactly when you expect. To finish, click Save or Auto-Publish if your TikTok account allows it. Auto-Publish will push your post live at the scheduled time without any extra action from you. If you use Save and your account doesn't support auto-publishing, Later will hold the post and send you a reminder at the scheduled time so you can finalize it in TikTok. Either way, your schedule stays organized and visible on the calendar. That's it. Log in and connect, create a TikTok post from the calendar, upload your video with a strong caption, hashtags, and cover, pick your date and time, and confirm with Save or Auto-Publish. You're ready to schedule smarter and keep your TikTok content consistent.